Ever woken up to a gift from your cat? Like a dead mouse? A bird? Yeah, super gross. But also kinda sweet? Cats are natural hunters. And even if they're well fed, that instinct never goes away. But here's the twist. When your cat drops that dead thing at your feet, it's not a threat, it's a gift. Like, hey, I caught dinner, you useless, adorable human. Some even think they're trying to teach you how to hunt. Aw, thanks, Professor Whiskers. So next time it happens, maybe say thank you. Then, wash your hands twice. What's the weirdest gift your pet has ever brought you? Comment below. Follow Planet Paws for more perfectly weird facts.